Hello users, this is my first program in C++. I'm using Turbo C++ IDE to write the program. You can use any IDE available in your computer. You can use Borland or any other IDE which is available. So this is the file, this is the menu where you can click on any menu and you can create a new file. You can edit, copy, paste, and other options are available in this menu. You can compile, you can run your program, or you can also use alt and the font which is written in the red color. For example, if you want to go to file menu, you can press alt button and the F, so this will open the file menu. You can use alt and C to open the compile menu. So this is why compile menu is open with the alt and C. So I want to open I want to open the file menu. I'm clicking on alt F. So alt F, so this file is open now. Clicking on the new to create my first program. So to write the first program, you need to include to write program C++ program, you need to include basically library files. Library files are the files which help you to execute your programs. They basically contains the definitions of the functions which you are using in your program. So I'm using two library files in my program. The first file is iostream.h and second is conio.h. That iostream helps me to execute input and output commands from this file, and I'm using conio.h to run the functions which I'm going to use in my program. I'll show you what functions I'm using. Those functions are basically those functions, definition of those functions are basically written in this conio.h file. So let's start writing the first program by using void main. This is the starting point of your program. Whenever you write C++ program, you need to write main function. What is the function of the main? Basically, the main function is function which is the starting point of your any C++ program. The program starts execution from this main function. So if you want to print anything on the screen, you use cout command. This command is used to write anything on the screen. So I'm writing, this is my first program in C++, and then I'm putting terminator at the end of the cout command. If you want to write anything on the screen, you need to write that thing in the double quotations, in these double quotes, the inverted commas, or you can say the double inverted commas. If you write anything in the double quotations, that will be printed on the screen. So this is basically the string. The string is collection of characters you want to print on the screen. You use cout command to print them. This terminator helps you to tell the compiler that this command ends here and it's basically closed. So you can now move to the next command. So if you want to run this program, you need to go to, if first of all you need to compile this program. To compile this program, I'm pressing alt C to open the menu, then I'm clicking on compile. So you can see this program has successfully compiled and it is ready to execute. To run the program, I'm going to alt R, pressing alt R and clicking on the run option. So you just saw this program has executed, this program has run, but I could not see the output because it just blinked the screen and the output came for the microseconds, but I could not see the output. To see the output, I'm pressing alt F5. Alt F5 helps me to show me the output. So I executed this program twice probably, so that's why I can see two outputs here. So you can see uh, the screen. If I again want to execute this program, you can use again alt and then go to run menu, or you can also press shortcut key, that is control F9. This will compile and run program at the same time. So control F9, I'm pressing it 5 or 6 times so that I can see 5-6 times output on the screen. So here you can see it is executing and executing the program, but I'm unable to see the output. If you want to see the output, you just go and see output by pressing Alt F5. So here you can see this is my first program is written probably 10 or 15 times. That means I have executed this program multiple times, but uh, because I haven't used any method to clear the screen, it's showing me the previous and new output on the screen. So here I'm going to use now a function which is clear screen, which is basically the definition of this function is actually uh, defined in this conio.h file. So now this function, what is the purpose of using this function? Basically this function helps me to clear the screen. Whatever is written already on the screen will be clear, and then output will be shown on my screen. So let's now try this program again. I'm pressing Ctrl F9 to execute the program. So see, this program compiled and executed. Now pressing Alt F5. Alt F5 will show me the output. You can see this is my first program in C++ is written only one time. That means the previously it was, first of all it cleared the screen is cleared by the clear screen function, and then I can see the output on my screen. So then to compile the program, I compile and run the program. I press Alt F9. This executes, compiles the program and executes the program. But if I want to see the output, I have to press Alt F5 to see the output again and again. So I can also stop screen to show me output by pressing by writing another function, that is get ch function. This is basically get character function. This get character function can help me to stop the screen until I press any key. So this will hold my screen. It will to show me the output unless or until I press any key. So as soon I press any key, this will exit the output. Let me show you now. I'm pressing Ctrl F9. So see, I haven't pressed any F5 Alter F5 key, but I just pressed Alter F9 Control F9 key. So this is the program is compiled and then program has run. I can see the output on my screen. That you can also see the cursor is blinking. That the blink of cursor shows that this cursor is waiting for my input. It is stopped. This program is stopped. This program is waiting to so that I can press any key. If I press a key, this will exit. So where basically this program is stopped at the getch function. Getch function has stopped this screen to wait for user until user presses any key. So now I'm pressing enter button. See this, as I pressed any key, I can press any key. I just press the enter button. You can press any key. This will basically exit the program. So now I have this is the first program which I have explained you the few things which are including program. You need to write include, then we use iostream to run the output command, cout command, which is basically executed from this iostream, and then the clear screen and get ch functions. These functions are basically executed from this file. The conio.h definition is available in this file. And then the void main is the starting point of your program. You're writing any C++ program, you need to write this program. And to see to print any output on the screen, you need to write cout. Cout is the command which basically helps you to show output on the screen. And if you want to save the program, you can go to alter you can go to file menu and just click on the save. You can type any name to file. For example, this is my first program, so I'm saving it my first program .cpp. .cpp is basically .c++ file, so this will be saved with the name my first .cpp. Probably it has some limitation on the length of the name, so it's the first my first .cpp is the name of the file. Now it's saved. For the next time, if you want to open this program, you again go to file and you can right click on the open and you can write my underscore first dot cpp. So this will again open the same program which we just saved. So hope this clears you the concept of writing for C++ program. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section or send me a message. Thank you.